I'm going to try and pimp up my bike with this device. This is one of those things you buy to stick in a bottle instead of a cork. It's got a battery and it's got a load of lights. In fact, there's 20 lights here. And the idea is to put this in the middle on the hub, and then you can spread these all around the wheel, and when it goes round it'll be like a spiral. So that's the idea. We've got some gaffer tape to hold this little device on, and we're going to wrap some electrician's tape around each spoke in a spiral to affix these to the spoke, so when they go around it'll look like it's spinning round. Got the middle bit connected, and there's the switch to switch the lights on and off. Just a bit of gaffer tape around the hub, and then we've got all these other lights going around the outside until we hit the final one, which is here. That's the last one. I've also taped on a strip of LEDs that you can see them, that's quite good, that I've moved all the way around to the front and down the other side, and then back to the gears here. So that'll look nice in the dark. We've got the back wheel wired now with 20 of these gorgeous little LED lights. So all we have to do now is test it. So we're going to wait till it's dark and we're going to see what it looks like. It's night time now, and it's time to put on all the lights. Let's see where the that's the one at the back. Where's this one? This one's down here. The front one, that's somewhere here. Oh, where is that? Oh, there it is. So there we are. That's the bike. Now let's see if we can ride it. This is the maiden voyage of the disco bike. Let's check it out. Success.